Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to this exciting guide on Clash of Clans, a game enjoyed by millions around the world. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refresh your skills for the year 2025, this video is designed just for you. We'll cover everything from building your first village to mastering epic battles, ensuring you have all the tools to become a legend. Get ready to embark on an incredible journey in your own virtual world. Your journey in Clash of Clans starts right in your village. You'll want to immediately build your gold mines and elixir collectors. These are vital for gathering resources. Remember, your town hall is the heart of your village, and upgrading it unlocks new buildings and defenses. Make sure you always have your builders active, continuously improving your base and preparing for future challenges. To grow your empire, smart upgrading is key. First, strengthen your defenses by upgrading cannons and archer towers, protecting your precious resources from enemy raids. Simultaneously, enhance your offensive power by upgrading your barracks, allowing you to train more diverse and stronger troops. Don't forget to expand your gold and elixir storages too, so you can hold enough for those major upgrades. Mastering the battlefield requires knowing your troops. Each troop type, from barbarians to dragons, has unique strengths and weaknesses. Understand how they work together. Before attacking, always scout the enemy base carefully, looking for vulnerable spots or easy targets. Experiment with different army compositions in friendly challenges to find strategies that consistently earn you 3 stars, refining your combat skills. Clash of Clans truly shines when you join a clan. Being part of a clan allows you to receive powerful troop donations, which can turn the tide in battles. Participate in clan games and clan war leagues to earn fantastic rewards and contribute to your team's success. Engaging with your clanmates for advice and friendly challenges makes the game much more enjoyable and strategic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.